welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is done in collaboration with Luvme Hair, you know, our favorite wig company over here. They sent me this gorgeous new wig to try on, and I'm not going to ramble too much. We're going to go ahead and get straight into the video so you can learn all about this new wig. And while I have your attention, if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this is your type of content, and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any new content that I may have for you. And join the family. Like, if you love beauty, you love style, you love fashion, hair, wigs, all that good stuff, you should be subscribed, okay? It don't hurt, it's free, and it does nothing but support this channel and help it reach other women who love the same things that you do. So go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and let's move on. All right, this is the Curtain Bangs Blonde Highlight Loose Wave Glueless 5x5 wig from Luvme Hair. And here is everything that comes in the packaging. We do have the wig, of course. They also included this mesh storage bag to help store your wigs, a box label card in case you decide to store your wig inside the box, a detachable adjustable elastic band, a set of Velcro strips, a custom beauty sponge, a custom hair clip, and a set of HD wig caps, and a really cute user guide and thank you card. Now, this wig comes with a lot of really nice features, one of them being these gorgeous ash blonde highlights. The wig also comes pre-curled in these really nice loose wave curls. It's got that all new beautiful glueless wig design featuring a removable adjustable elastic band and a removable comb in the back. The entire wig cap is made of this flexi fit material, making it super snug and super comfortable at the same time. It also features 3 adjustable straps to adjust the wig to any head size. It comes with the C-shaped ear cutout tabs for extra comfort, and it features a 5x5 HD lace closure that comes everything that's pre-plucked, pre-parted, and pre-bleached. Hey, so I have my wig cap. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And my hair is just slicked back into a low bun. Alright, so here is the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like straight out of the box. So here she is. Okay, so this is the first impression of the wig. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. She does look beautiful. She looks great. I love the highlights. It's so soft. I can easily run my fingers through it. Yeah, it's great. Now, a few things I definitely want to fix. First thing being here is this sort of white lace. Now, it does look pretty good as is, right? But I am of a darker complexion, so I'm definitely going to have to tint the lace. And also, I notice the curls have fallen quite a bit from possibly shipping. So I do have my curling iron over here, and we're going to recurl these curls and go ahead and tint the lace. Alright, and I'm going to be tinting the lace on this unit using my all-time favorite lace tint spray. This one from Kiss in the shade dark brown. I absolutely love this lace tint spray. It is really quick drying, and it's also peach scented. Alright, so now that the lace is tinted, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig back on. Now, this is what the wig looks like with the lace tinted. I love it. It's literally melting into my skin. It's giving scalp. Okay, so now I'm going to curl some of these pieces here in the front that sort of lost their curl. I'm using my 1-inch curling iron. This unit does come with slight layers and some face framing curls. So I'm curling the unit away from my face. That's how it came curled originally. Y'all, I absolutely love this wig. Like 10 out of 10. I love the length. I love the highlights. I love the layers. I loved how soft the hair is. It feels amazingly soft. Like I can run my fingers through it with absolutely no problems. You can also part this wig wherever you want. It does come pre-parted in the middle, but you can also part it over here on the side or over on the other side. The lace is immaculate. It is literally giving scalp. Yes. And I love how comfortable the cap is. Luvme Hair has been doing an amazing job with these new AIRY fit caps. It literally feels like I have nothing on. This feels like this hair is literally growing out of my scalp. And that's exactly what you want in an everyday wig. I would 100% give this wig 5 stars. Luvme Hair always does an amazing job with the packaging, so there's nothing to take away from there. This wig, the style and design of this wig is definitely customer oriented. You can definitely tell they put a lot of thought into what the customer would want in a wig. There's a removable comb if you need it. If you don't, you can always take it out. The entire wig is made of this flexi fit cap, so it stretches everywhere, all over, and it also snaps back and is super comfortable and form-fitting to your head, but not overly tight. That's what we need. It also came with a removable adjustable elastic band, so if you need the extra security, you have that there. If you don't need it, you can take it out. You also get this huge closure, so lots of space for parting. You can part it however you want. If you're a middle part girl, it comes pre-parted for you. If you're not a middle part girl, that's okay because you still have plenty of space to part it however you want. They did an amazing job with plucking the hairline. It looks so natural and so realistic. It also comes pre-cut for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about messing up the lace if you know you're not that good at cutting the lace, which usually I'm not, so I definitely enjoy that. It also comes with these beautiful, amazing highlights to add like this little pop of color, and the highlights are not too brassy. You can tell that they toned it. It's like this perfect ash blonde, and I love it. Also, the hair is very soft, like I mentioned. Like, yes, come through, high quality hair. And not to mention, they also gave you a little bit of face framing layers, which is always great. Now, the curls did fall, but that's just due to shipping. That's gonna happen. It's not really something I would fault them for. That's okay. And I really only had to recurl the curls that were in the front. But I do love the fact that it comes pre-curled, again, with these face framing curls away from the face. This was literally the perfect throw it on and go wig. It comes pre-styled, pre-everything, straight out of the box. It's giving I'm ready for my close-up. So I love this wig. I would definitely give it 5 stars. And if you're interested in trying this wig out for yourself, I do have a coupon code for you. I'll leave it right up here on the screen. If you're interested in trying it out, you can use this coupon code to save 28% off of your orders. Now, if this wig is not your cup of tea, Luvme Hair does have an amazing selection of glueless and ready-to-wear wigs. So take a minute and browse their website. I also have a playlist over on my YouTube channel filled of my favorite wigs from Luvme Hair. You can use our coupon code to save 28% off of any orders that you place with Luvme Hair. And if you see this video and you decide to try this wig out for yourself, let me know down in the comments what you think. I know that I personally love this wig, but some people need more than just one opinion. So if you try it out and you like it, maybe you don't like it, let us know down in the comment section. It'd be a great way to help other people decide whether or not they want to purchase it as well. But that is it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially all the way through to the end. I really appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.